Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to keep your lawn edges crisp and your garden paths clear, a reliable grass trimmer is an essential tool in your yard care arsenal. Whether you're a homeowner maintaining a tidy lawn or a professional landscaper tackling larger projects, the right trimmer can make all the difference. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best grass trimmers available right now. We've selected models that offer exceptional performance, durability, and value, catering to a range of needs and budgets. All product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and detailed specifications. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gardening tool reviews and buying guides. Let's get started, beginning with number 5 on our list. Number 5. SK20V Cordless Grass Trimmers. Let's tackle yard work with the SK20V Cordless Grass Trimmers. This tool is incredibly versatile, effortlessly converting between trimming and edging modes with a simple 90 degrees rotation. Its 8700 RPM motor means serious power for your lawn, garden, and yard tasks, saving you from buying separate tools. No more manual line adjustments thanks to the smart auto feed line technology. It automatically feeds and self-cuts excess line, ensuring uninterrupted maintenance. Plus, a handy spacer guard protects your plants. Powering this gem are two 2.0 lithium-ion batteries, giving you over 30 minutes of cordless runtime, 50% more than single-battery models. At just 5.3 pounds, it's remarkably lightweight and adjustable, featuring a 180 degrees handle and 80 degrees pivoting head for reaching tough spots. The integrated stabilizer will make edging professional. Number 4. Makita XRU23Z18V Grass Trimmers. The biggest win here is no gas, no emissions, no oil mixing, and no pull starts. That means significantly reduced maintenance and wonderfully low noise levels, a huge relief for both you and your neighbors. Powering this unit is a robust BL brushless motor, delivering up to 6,000 RPM. This ensures strong cutting performance for various tasks around your lawn and garden. You can expect a solid up to 1 hour of runtime when paired with an 18V LXT 4.0 battery, sold separately, giving you ample time to tackle your yard. Controlling the trimmer is intuitive with a high/low button for efficient power and runtime management, letting you conserve battery when needed. Plus, a variable speed trigger provides precise control over cutting speed. This Makita trimmer offers a clean, efficient, and user-friendly experience. Number 3. EGO Power Plus ST1510T Grass Trimmers. The standout feature here is definitely power load technology. Seriously, just load your line, push a button, and it's ready. No more manual winding, which is a massive time saver. This trimmer is powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor and recommended for use with an EGO 56V 2.5 ARC lithium battery, giving you up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge. It boasts a generous 15-inch cutting swath and uses professional-grade, dual-line spiral twist 0.095-inch line for effective trimming. Comfort is key, and the telescopic aluminum shaft quickly adjusts to your height, ensuring ultimate comfort during use. Plus, you get a variable speed trigger with 2 speed settings for precise control. This EGO Power Plus trimmer looks like a powerful, user-friendly tool to get your lawn looking pristine. Number 2. Craftsman Weed Whacker Grass Trimmers. This tool is part of the V20 cordless system and integrates with the VersaTrack wall organization system for easy storage. Choose between 2 speed settings for more power or extended runtime. The ergonomic telescoping pole features turn-to-edge capability for precise trimming. Enjoy uninterrupted work with automatic line advance feed and a 13-inch cutting swath. An integrated hanging hook ensures immediate use. This product comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Number 1. Works Grass Trimmers Cordless. Let's talk about making yard work a breeze with the WRX 2-in-1 string trimmer and edger. This tool is incredibly versatile, converting from a trimmer to an edger in just seconds. One fantastic feature is the innovative command feed spool system. Just push a button for instant line feeding. Plus, the promise of free spools for life is a huge bonus. The head tilts 90 degrees, perfect for tackling sloped terrain or reaching those awkward spots. For precise edging, the rubberized wheels provide excellent support and guide you to achieve straighter, cleaner lines. An adjustable spacer guard also helps protect your plants and landscape features. Weighing only 5.3 pounds with a 12-inch cutting width and 7,600 RPM, it's powerful yet manageable. Best of all, it comes with two 20V PowerShare Max lithium batteries, which are compatible across the entire WRX PowerShare family. This looks like a smart, efficient choice for your lawn care needs. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.